Create personalized pillow boxes for your next party.
To create a pillow box, trim your paper width to 6 inches and the length between 4 to 12 inches depending on how big you want it. With the 6-inch side running horizontally, align the left edge to the green start line and punch your paper by pressing firmly on the punch mechanism. Then score both the curve and the vertical line. For paper over 6 inches, just score to the edge of the board for now. Shift your score line to the left nook and punch and score again. Shift your paper again to the left nook and punch and score the curve line. Flip your paper over and repeat this process. Trim and score the curve line and the straight line for boxes over 6 inches. Add a thumb notch by inserting the paper into the reverse punch and punch the second curve. Use some scissors to cut the short tab using the scored curve line as a guide. When you're finished, your paper will look like this. Use the scoring tool to crease the score lines and apply adhesive to the 1/2-inch tab. Use your fingers to crease the curved score lines by folding the tab with the thumb notch first and the curve notch second. Add a finishing touch to your box with ribbon or stickers. Be sure to check out all the We Are Memory Keepers punch boards. Learn more at weareonthenet.com.